On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest way that you can use to make money with Deepseek as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. As you can see on my dashboard, this is the amount that I've made. Deepseek is one of the tools that I use to make this amount. So make sure you keep on watching so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to find a product which you can promote using Deepseek. Deepseek itself does not give money. You have to find a method whereby you can use Deepseek as a tool to make the money. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote a product, and then Deepseek will be our tool which will help us to promote the product easily and then make a lot of money without paying for anything. So what we have to do is that we have to find an affiliate marketplace so that we can get a product. Since we don't have our own product now, the best thing is that we have to find an affiliate marketplace whereby we can find different affiliate products to promote. One of the best affiliate marketplaces where you can find a product to promote is Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can sign up. If you don't want Digistore24, you can also sign up for ClickBank, but ClickBank has restrictions. Some places ClickBank is not available, but Digistore24, wherever you are in the world, you can sign up for an account. So I'm going to be using both so that you can now choose the one that is best for you. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account on either Digistore24 or ClickBank. In this case, you can see this is my account. Once you have created an account and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find different products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, when you scroll down, you can see these are products that you can promote, and you can see the commission that you are going to earn. For example, you can see this product right here. If you promote it and then get a sale, you are going to be earning $46.39. There are many of them. When you scroll down, you can see there's another one. You can see it right here. When you promote it and then get a sale, you are going to be earning $123.10. You can see a whole lot of them. This product is currently trending. You can see it is for weight loss. You can see it right here. It is currently trending and it's new. So if you promote it, you are likely going to make a sale. Since a lot of people are not aware of it, you can see a whole lot of different products. If you are using ClickBank, you have to also create an account. So let me log into my accounts. As you can see, this is my account on Digistore24, and you can see I'm already on the marketplace. You can see the categories of products that you can promote: health and fitness, business, health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age. You can see self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, green products, business and investing, and a whole lot of different offers that you can promote on this platform. The best part is that it's free to promote a product. You don't need to pay for anything before you promote a product on any of the platforms that I'm showing you. If you're on the marketplace on ClickBank, for example, you can click right here, health and fitness. Once you click on it, you get a lot of different health and fitness products that you can promote to earn money. You can see the first one is the same product on Digistore24. You can see it right here. On ClickBank, you are going to be earning $136.36 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, you can see another one. You are going to be earning $158.90. You can see it right here, Jabba Ben. There are many products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to be doing is that we have to use Deepseek so that we can promote any of these products that we are seeing, so that you can make money from home without paying for anything. Now once we have found a place where we can get a product, the next step is that we have to find a way so that we can use Deepseek to promote the product. One of the best ways is that you have to create a video. Videos are currently going viral on different platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and a whole lot of different places. If you post a video, you are going to get many views. As a beginner, even if you get 200 views per video, you can still get people to purchase the products that you are promoting so that you can make money from home. So as your accounts grow, the amount of money that you earn is also going to be increased. So we have to create a video, and the best part is that if you create one video, you can post it on a lot of different platforms. You can post it on X, you can post it on Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and then YouTube. Only one video, you can share it on different platforms to get many people to view it, and you are going to be making money if you promote a product alongside the video. So you have to begin creating the video. To create a video, you can come on YouTube and then find an inspiration. For example, you can search a term like this, weight loss shorts. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get short videos that talks about how to lose weight. You can see this is a video about how to lose weight. It's a YouTube shorts. You can see it right there. It has 1 million views. You can see this one, 44k views, 1.5 million views. These videos are getting many views. You can see this one, it has got 500,000 views and many others. If you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. This one has got 4.1 million views in the matter of 5 months. You can see it's a weight loss video. You can see it right here, and many other videos. You can see a whole lot of videos. You can see in the matter of 2 years, this one has got 39 million views. You can see it right here. You can see another video right here, 16 million views in the matter of 1 year. So what we are going to be doing is that we are also going to create a video about how to lose weight. Once we create the video, we can promote any of the products that we found on the affiliate marketplaces. Create a video, what we have to do is that we have to look at one of these trending videos and then create our own. So you can see this one right here, it has got 1.7 million views in a matter of 4 months, which means the video is trending. So we can copy this title and then create a similar video so that we can get a lot of views. You can see many of them. This one has got 4.9 million views. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open this one. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. I don't want to play it, so let me. Okay, so once you open the video like this, we can copy the title of the video. So let's highlight and copy it. This is the title of the video. Let's highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy the title of the video. You can see it right here. Highlight and copy it. Once you copy the title, this is where you can use Deepseek to write a script for you so that you can create a video that will trend like this one. So you just search for Deepseek. Once you search for it, you can sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to write a prompt here so that Deepseek can write a transcript for you, which you can use to create a video that will trend. So you have to write a prompt like this. Write a weight loss video script for this title, then you paste the title that you copied here. So just paste it right here. Once you paste the title, the next step is that you have to click right here, send, so that it can write the scripts for you. You can see it is going to write a nice script for you. Just wait for it to write a nice script for you. You can see it is writing the script. You can see everything. It is writing everything for you. As you can see, it has written the script. You can see everything. This is the script for the video. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy the text and then create a video. So we need another AI tool that can help us to create a video with ease. You don't need to do any editing. The AI will do it for you. So the next step is that you have to search for this AI right here, osiai.com. Just search for Osai AIs. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on the first link. Once you click on it, it is going to open for you so that you can use it to create a video for free. You don't need to pay for anything. Once you click on it, you can see these are samples of videos that are created by this AI. When you scroll down, you can see many of them. You can see. Let's go to the pricing page. When you come to the pricing, let me click. You can see you can use it free forever. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to use the free version. Once you use it and then get value out of it, you can then upgrade to any of these plans. For now, we are going to be using the free version. So click right here, start for free. Once you click on it, you can be able to create an account. In this case, let me log into my accounts so that I can show you how you can create a video. Once you click on create, you can see you need more credit to use chat to video. So just ignore all of this and then click right here, switch to classic mode. So click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down, you can see right here you have to paste your script here. So just come back to Deepseek. Once you come back to Deepseek, highlight your text, copy it, highlight and copy it. Let's go back to the AI. Once you highlight and copy it, paste it right here. Now once you have your script, the next step is that you have to create a video. I just want to use this short text so that I can show you how to create a video. So once you have your text like this, the next step is you have to click on create video. Once you click on it, you can see video is processing. Click on your videos, tap to view it. You can click right here videos so that you can see your video. Just click on videos. Once you click on it, you can see your video is still waiting. Just wait for it to finish creating. You can see it right here. Just wait for it. Now you can see your video has been created. You can see it right here. So just click on it. Just click.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my full body transformation journey from 76 kgs to 59 kgs. It wasn't easy.
You can see the video has been created. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here download. Once you click on download, the video is going to be downloaded so that you can use it on your social media. Once you download the video, the next step is that you have to upload it onto YouTube so that you can get many views like these videos. You can see the videos are getting millions of views. You can also get views like this. Once you upload your video on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, you can now come on any of the marketplaces that I've showed you. You can come on Deepseek for example, and then get a product like this. You can see this is a weight loss product and you are going to be earning $122.65. You can get an affiliate link of this product. Once you get a link, put it under the description of your video so that you can get many people to purchase it in any of the social media platform where you post your video. Apart from the Deepseek, you can also come on Clickbank. Once you come on Clickbank, just click on health and fitness so that you can find affiliate products that you can promote. Once you click on it, you can see many products that you can promote to earn a commission. You can see this product, for example, you can promote it and then earn $135.77. You can see many products. You can see this one, you're going to be earning $159. Many products. So all that you need to do is that you have to post your video to many social media platforms, as many as you can, and then put your affiliate link at the description of your video or at your bio. For example, on TikTok, you can put your link at your bio and then get people to purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can be making money. For example, let me show you on TikTok some people who are making money with this method. You can see this particular video right here. It has got 1.3 million views. So let's click on the video and then check the bio of the, and then so let's click on this. Let me open this video to show you. Once you open it, let's check the bio section of the owner of this video. So let's check the bio section. You can see under the bio section of the owner of the video, the person has a link right here. You can see this is an Amazon affiliate link. So the person is using the videos to direct traffic to this link. So the owner of this account is using the videos to direct traffic to this link. You can do a similar thing by using the method that I just showed you. You can do it on Instagram, you can do it on Facebook, you can do it on YouTube, you can do it on TikTok. Any of the platform that you choose, you can still make money posting the videos. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.